Experience the elegance of silky smooth steamed egg. Have you ever wondered if you can make silky smooth steamed egg at home? It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you can create a dish that's as smooth as silk. Stay until the end to see the perfect texture. They are extremely delicate and custard-like, silky smooth, jiggling yet firm. Let's start cooking. First up, let's prepare the ingredients. Today we have very simple ingredients for our steamed egg. The first ingredient is this Japanese fish cake, also known as Kamaboko. It's a traditional Japanese processed seafood product which made from fish surimi. I incorporated the idea from Japanese steamed egg, Chawanmushi. They are not only adding a subtle seafood flavor that complements the delicate taste of the steamed egg, its umami-rich profile enhances the overall depth of the dish as well. And most importantly, I love the visually appealing shapes and colors of this Japanese fish cake, and an attractive element to the steamed egg. You can also replace the fish cake with any seafood like prawns or other fish cake. Second ingredient that we are going to prepare is fresh chives from my garden, or alternatively, you can replace or substitute them with green onions. I love the milder flavor profile of chive than spring onion. First step, prepare the steamer. Fill a pot with enough water to create steam, but not so much that it touches the bamboo steamer when placed inside. Place 2 chopsticks horizontally across the top of the pot, spaced evenly apart. This will act as a makeshift tripod to elevate the bamboo steamer. Today's recipe is for one serving, hence we only use one fresh large egg. To prepare multiple servings, simply multiply the ingredients by the desired number of portions in my recipes. This will yield a 1/4 cup of beaten egg, lightly beaten using the fork. Set it aside and let's prepare 1/2 cup of warm water. Warm water heat up more quickly than cold water. By starting with warm water, the steaming process begins sooner, reducing the overall cooking time and allowing the egg custard to set properly without overcooking the outer edge. And hence, using warm water when making steamed egg helps achieve a smoother texture and more even cooking. The warmth of the water helps the proteins in the egg to denature more evenly. Using 1:8 to 2 water ratio in steamed egg recipe. Cold water can sometimes cause the proteins to coagulate too quickly, leading to a grainy or rubbery texture in the finished dish. Influenced by Japanese Chawanmushi, obviously I'm using 1 tablespoon of Japanese Mirin into the egg mixture. Using a sieve to sieve through our egg mixture. Using a sieve or strainer to pass a beaten egg mixture through is an important step when making smooth, silky steamed egg. Beating eggs can sometimes create lumps or incorporate air bubbles into the mixture. Passing the beaten egg through a sieve helps remove any lumps and ensure a smoother texture in the steamed egg. It also helps break up and eliminate unwanted air bubbles, resulting in a more uniform and silky consistency. For steamed egg dishes like this, achieving a smooth and velvety texture is crucial. Passing the egg mixture through a fine sieve helps break up any remaining lumps or bit of egg whites. Remove any air bubbles if possible to achieve the consistent, silky, smooth steamed egg. Place our previously cut and prepared Japanese fish cake into the egg mixture. To our new viewers, if you enjoy learning about making silky smooth steamed egg and want more delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the bell, so that you never miss out any recipes in the future. Place the dish in the bamboo steamer. If visually still see some bubbles, you can use a spoon to scoop it out so that you want to achieve a super silky smooth steamed egg. Carefully place a bamboo steamer over the shimmery water onto the pot. Turn on the medium heat to steam the egg mixture for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick is your egg custard. If you are using more shallow dish for steaming the egg, your time can be varies to 5 minutes lesser than the usual cooking time. Cover the lid over the bamboo steamer, or you can use your usual bamboo lids itself. Make sure you check out the heat into medium-high heat, not the very high heat. After 10 minutes cooking time, you can observe the steamed egg appear to be light yellow color. You can observe the center of the steamed egg is still liquidy. So let's cook for a couple more minutes. At the same time, get ready our sesame oil and also the light soya sauce. After 15 to 20 minutes, in my case, I took around 20 minutes time to have fully cooked steamed egg. Turn off the heat and let it sit a couple minutes without opening the lid yet. This is a simple yet effective technique to ensure best possible outcome in terms of texture, flavor, and presentation. After 1 to 2 minutes, open the lid and get ready with half tablespoon of sesame oil. If you're allergic to sesame, you can replace it with any other oil. Adding the oil onto the steamed egg after cooking enhances its flavor, aroma, and texture. Next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Depending on the saltiness, if too salty, you can reduce half tablespoon. Let's do the jiggling test. Gently shake the dish containing the steamed egg and let all the sesame oil and light soya sauce distributed evenly onto the surface. Garnish with our freshly chopped chives or green onion. The vibrant green color of chives provides a visually appealing contrast to the pale yellow hue of the steamed egg. This adds brightness and freshness to the dish, making it more visually appealing. Now the tough part is removing the super hot dish from the bamboo steamer. Be careful. Here you go, our perfectly made silky smooth steamed egg. The surface should be glossy and free of bubbles or cracks. The texture is soft and velvety, almost like a fine custard or flan. Jiggly yet firm. It should have a slight wobble when gently shaken, indicating it is set but still tender. The consistency is firm enough to hold its shape when scooped with a spoon, yet soft enough to melt in your mouth. Creamy and uniform, each spoonful should feel creamy, with a consistent texture throughout, free from any graininess of lumps like slurping through into your throat and mouth. Delicious Japanese fish cake, Kamaboko as a subtle seafood flavor that complements this delicate taste of the steamed egg. Its umami-rich profile enhances the overall experience when eating this silky, smooth steamed egg. Look at how jiggly are these steamed eggs. It has a mild and creamy with a subtle savory flavor with soya sauce. It's not overpowering but rather comforting and satisfying. Here's recap my recipe, or you can go over hankcurry.com for printout recipe. Click the link in description box below to check out how to make the best fluffy keto omelette using the shaker method. For those of you with busy 9 to 5 schedule, remember cooking can fit into your life too. Subscribe and click the notification bell to discover how simple and satisfying cooking can be.